What is going on, everyone? We are going to take a look at a brand new game that is currently in development. Ground Branch. I don't know if anyone remembers the old SWAT series. Pretty much the predecessor to all of the Rainbow Six Siege series. It's definitely something that should be looked into because, honestly, this is definitely something. It's something. It's something special. So right here is the pre-game lobby. So if you were online, all of your friends would show up in here. Take a look around here. Everyone has their own individual locker. So when you are in a full lobby, everyone has their name, like mine, up above their storage. Go over here. You can take a look at your operator. You can customize every single piece of loadout. So if you want a different shirt, get a polo shirt, change the color of it, get a red one. Don't know why you would do that, but okay. Switch that back to combat shirt. Alright, so what do we got? Got a whole bunch of SMGs. The customization in this game is actually pretty solid. They definitely took a bunch of time making sure that they have a whole bunch of different options for you. So when you have a standard weapon right here, a very nice weapon screen here. Flip it over and get it real in detail. Snapchat's going off. Lights and lasers. So when you have a an option that you like, you click and hold. Oh, okay, maybe a shotgun's not the best for that. Let's grab something. How about an AK? Lights and lasers. So there's already a box on there. Take that off. So click and hold, and you can put it wherever you want on the top. It will block the optic right there. So put it on the side. Get a tan one so you can actually see what I'm doing. Rail mounts. So this is a riser to put an optic on for some reason that I can't put that on there. There you go. Look at that. Put an ACOG on top of the riser. That looks a little silly, but we'll roll with it. Put a suppressor on it. This one only has one version of the banana mag. Alright, so now that looks ridiculously silly. So for my current loadout, I have a bunch of smokes, particularly the purple smoke. So if you wanted to adjust, say, your belt, you would click on the little cog here on the belt, and then you would zoom in, take those off, and ammunition here, so the primary ammo, so that would be the AK rounds, and then the secondary ammo for whatever your sidearm is. But right here, you have a whole bunch of different ammo. So anything you find on the ground, you will automatically have a magazine for it. But that seems a little silly to me, because I don't plan on dying, but you know you probably will, because this game is actually pretty tough. So I'll stick my purple smoke back on, like so. Apply it. Alright. And so this right here, the operations screen, or the operations room, this is where you start your menu. Start your game, but over here is a shooting range. So press the 1 key, pull up your primary weapon. See that it is currently pulled up. Now if you scroll up, it will ready it. And if you scroll up again, it will put it into a high ready, which means that it's all set and ready to go. So scroll back, and it's pretty much midway, and then you could scroll down, and it'll be back lowered. And this game actually has some pretty cool, well, I don't know what it's doing right now, but You can pick up your dropped magazines if you don't want to leave any mess around. If you want to be environmentally friendly. So there's this. You can edit your weapons over here as well. And then there is a night vision range. Anyway, let's go. Let's do it to it. You can pick your time of day. Untrained. Let's do ludicrous. Let's see how that goes. And then you can pick where you spawn. So I usually, for the city map, I like starting at the overturned truck because there's a decent amount of cover for it. The other spawns for this are like an alleyway or down in the subway station. It's usually not my go. Oh, that's not good. I have my ridiculous AK, so I guess we'll see how this goes. So this game is definitely something. There's not really any armor, so usually one hit and you go down. So try and take it as slow as you can. I've actually never done the Ludicrous Mode, so we will see how this goes. Lean left and right. Oop. Wow! Okay, so see, that's not good. The Ludicrous Mode is a little ridiculous, because that dude's all the way over there, and he's already starting to shoot at me, so I don't think it's going to be very fair. Alright, there's one down. Switch over to full auto. I don't really like how I position this optic on here. Toss out some of my purple smoke here. Try and get over into a better spot. So bum rush it. Oop, getting shot at already. Alright, where are we at? That's one. Oop, I saw that. This game is definitely very tactical. You can't just go running and gunning. Like I said, there's not much armor that can be applied. So it's something you definitely need to take care and understand what you're doing. 36 enemies. So, unlike other games, if you reload, you will drop the magazine, and it doesn't really tell you how much ammo you have left, so you gotta try and count how many rounds you've used. So I'm empty right now. Put a new mag in. Like I said, so the mag would be right there, so you can go up to it if you don't want to leave a mess or have enemies find it. And you can grab it. I saw two hostiles down that way. Not too sure where they went though. I'm kinda not liking this, especially on this Ludicrous Mode. Now the thing that's very interesting about this game is that most games you can run up to a wall and you can still aim down sight. If your weapon is too long, so if you're running like an M110 or a SAW or something and you bump into a wall, you'll end up picking the weapon up so you don't collide with the thing that you're in front of. So definitely, if you're going to be in a close quarters scenario, run like an MP7 or an MP5, something like that. Because when your weapon is up like this, you're not going to be able to use it. Alright, I honestly don't know what's up here. Yep. Honestly, no idea where that came from. Still no idea where it came from. I might be screwed here. So much for not dying, I guess! Yep, there it is. Oh well. So I don't really have much space on my hard drive, so I just wanted to do a quick little video of this. Just to get it out there on my channel. Once I upgrade my hard drive on my laptop, I'm gonna hopefully try and make this a series. But we'll see about that when the time comes. But thank you very much for taking a look at Ground Branch.